Lucky Dog Refuge is a safe haven for dogs most in need. We focus on saving dogs from the most dire of situations, including illness, major injury, starvation, neglect, lack of shelter, and euthanasia. We begin giving our lucky dogs the best care available as soon as they are found, whether nearby or far away. And once they arrive at our facility in Stamford, Connecticut, or with one of our generous fosters, every lucky dog is given a loving, playful, safe environment to thrive in before going to their forever homes. Almost all of our dogs have a medical component, ranging from minor to severe. Our adoption fees only cover a fraction of the expenses per dog, so we rely heavily on donations from the community. Your contribution could help save the life of the next dog in need. Please go to our website to learn more about how you can make a difference. Since opening in June 2020, we have saved and rehabbed over 400 dogs, and we are just getting started. Thank you for your support and for helping us ensure that more dogs have a very lucky future.